In today's video, let me walk you through on the way that you check the BeReal post history. On BeReal, you can check your own post history by using the memories feature. So if you head over to your profile section on the bottom right, you can tap on this calendar icon on the top right, which is the memories section. Memories are a private collection of your BeReals which you have ever posted. This is a private feature, so no one else besides you would be able to view it. So if you have tons of posts recently, you will be able to see all of your memories in this section. Now let me show you a few things that you can do with your memories or your posts inside of BeReal. You can tap on the three dotted line on the top right, and you can either edit your captions, select your audience, or change your audience, and then download this image as well. Also, if you don't like a particular post, you can tap on delete my BeReal. This way this post will be deleted from your feed as well. If your memories are not showing up in this section, you may have previously deactivated the memories feature. If you have deactivated your memories in the past, you won't have any of your past posts saved in the memories section. So that is the way that you check the BeReal post history. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.